Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our focus today will be on commercial arithmetic, and our main focus will be on profit and loss percentages, interest, and our main focus will be on simple interest. But there are several formulas you need to understand when you are handling commercial arithmetic. The first one is cost price is equal to selling price minus profit or gain. The selling price is equal to cost price plus profit or gain. Then the profit or gain equals to selling price minus cost price. Then to calculate for loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Then for the profit percentage, if you want to calculate it, you use profit over cost price times 100 over 1. Then for the loss percentage, you use cost price equals to cost price times 100 over 1. Now let's move to our examples that I will use to explain the profit and loss percentage, and the interest. Alright, for example 1, we have a farmer bought 12 crates of eggs at the cost of 3,600 naira each. If each crate is sold for 4,150 naira, find the profit made. Alright, from the question we have that the cost price of each stove is 3,600 naira. The cost price of 12 stoves will be the 3,600 naira times 12 will give us a total of 43,200. Then from the question we also have the selling price of each crate being 4,150 naira, and the selling price of 12 crates will be 4,150 naira times 12. That will give us a total of 49,800. So then don't forget, in our video I've shown you that the profit, to calculate profit, it is selling price minus the cost price. So profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. For the selling price we have 49,800. The cost price we have 43,200. If you subtract 43,200 from 49,800, we have 6,600. For method 2, the cost price of each crate is 3,600 naira. The selling price of each crate is 4,150 naira. So the profit equals to the selling price minus the cost price. So we have 4,150 naira minus 3,600 naira. That will give us 550 naira for each crate. That means every crate the farmer will make 550 naira. Then for 12 crates, it will be 12 times 550 naira, which will also give us 6,600. Right, for example 2, we have two questions. The first one says a cloth which cost 12,000 naira was sold for 15,000 naira. Find the percentage profit. The second example says the price of a mobile phone was reduced from 14,200 naira to 13,800 naira to encourage customers to buy it. Find the percentage loss. Now, for the first one, the cost price of each cloth is 12,000 naira. The selling price of each cloth is 12,000 naira. So to calculate the profit will be the selling price minus the cost price. That will give us 15,000 naira minus 12,000 naira. This will give us 3,000 naira. Then to calculate the profit percentage, we have, for the profit we got 3,000 naira over the cost price being 12,000 naira times 100 over 1. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. So we have naira cancels naira. So we have 3 over 12 times 100 over 1. 3 goes into itself, 1 goes in here 4 times. So 100 divided by 4 gives us 20%. Now for the second part of the question, the cost price of the phone is 14,200. the selling price 13,800. So in this case, the man will experience loss. So the cost price in this case is 14,200, while the selling price is 13,800. So the loss in this case will be 400 naira. So to calculate the percentage loss, it will be 100 times the loss is 400 naira, while the cost price from the question is 14,200. Naira cancels the naira, so we have 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0, so we have 400 over 142. If 2 goes into 400, gives us 200. 2 goes into this, gives us 71. This will give us 71 goes into 200, that will be 2 whole number, 58 over 71%. But if you want to simplify it further, you have to convert 58 over 71 to decimal. This will give us 2.82%. Thank you. Okay, for example 3, we have find the simple interest on 10,000 naira for 2 years at the rate of 3% per annum. For the formula of simple interest, we have the principal times time times rate over 100. P is the principal, T is the time, and R is the rate. But there are other ways of also calculating principal. We have 100 times interest all over time times rate. For time, we also have 100 times interest all over P times R. The P is the principal, the R is the rate. For R, we have 100 times interest all over P times T. For the question, in the question we have P, the principal being 10,000 naira, the T, 2 years, the rate 3%. For P, we have 10,000 naira time 2 years, the rate 3%. That's 3 over 100. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. So in this case, I have 100 naira times 2 times is 6. This will give us 600 naira. Alright, we have come to the end of our exciting video on commercial arithmetic. I hope you learned a lot today. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for other exciting videos. Thank you.